KG1. How are you? I hope you all are doing great. Let's start our session today by reviewing our sounds. Look at the screen and say the sound of the letter as you see it. S. T. A. Very good, that was great. How about if we review all the songs that we took before so that we can review all the sounds of the letters? Are you guys ready to sing? Let's practice and sing together.
Snake. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Ant. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm. Tennis. When I watch a tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink in her legs. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff.
Now let's see what Kit and Sam are doing today. Kit and Sam were playing when Mom called them out in the garden. Dad said, "We have a surprise for you both." Mom was holding a little puppy in her arms. "For us? Really?" said Kit, giving the new puppy a stroke. Puppy begins with the p sound, the sound of the letter P. P. Remember the song? Pretend to puff out candles on the pink cake and say p. I wonder how can we write the letter P? Go down the puppy's neck and leg, up and around his head. Let's try it. Put your fingers in the air and let's practice writing the letter P. Down the puppy's neck and leg, up and around his head. Now, if you want, you can go get a pencil and a paper or your marker and your board, and let's watch this video and practice how to write the letter P.
Hi kids! Welcome to the classroom. Let's learn how to write the letter P. P as in parrot. We'll start with uppercase or big P. To write uppercase P, top and do a straight line down. Then go back to the top and do a curved line around. Good job! Let's do that again. We'll start at the top and do a straight line down. Then go back to the top and do a curved line around. Good job! Now you try. Good job! Now let's move on to lowercase or little p. To write little p, we'll start in the middle and do a straight line down. Then go back to the middle and do a curved line around. Good job! Let's do that again. We'll start in the middle and do a straight line down. Then go back to the middle and do a curved line around. Good job! Now you try. Good job! Now you know how to write the letter P. We'll see you in our next video when we learn how to write the letter Q.
Did you practice writing the letter P? Was it easy?
Let's learn how to compare different.
Now let's go and check out what the new puppy is doing. Look, the new puppy is playing with Kitten Sam's shoes. Let's play with him. When you see the letter on the shoe, say the sound and do the action. Are you ready? Let's go. P, S, P, A, P, T, A, P, T, What a puppy. Puppies love to play. They are so cute. Now let's learn some words that begin with the p, p sound. Like piano, p, p, piano. Or pizza, p, p, pizza. Repeat after me. Pizza, pizza. Also, p, panda, panda. Pig, pig begins with P, 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 pig. Do you think Ben is a good name for a puppy? Said Kit. Yes, said Sam. Welcome to the family, little Ben. Sam and Kit are very happy that they have a new friend, and they called him Ben. Do you think Ben is a good name for a puppy? Now, let's review and play this game. Look at the pictures and let's see which pictures begin with P. Remember, P says P, P. Now let's listen to the sound of the P, P in the beginning of the word. If you can hear the P sound in the beginning of the word, let's move the picture under the letter P. Panda, panda. Does panda begins with P? Yes, it does. Excellent. P, p, piano. You're right. What else? Pig. Good job. Pizza, pizza. Yum, yummy pizza. Do you think rabbit begins with P? No. How about puppy? Puppy. Yes, puppy begins with P. Cloud? No, cloud doesn't begin with P. pineapple? Let's see. Pineapple also begins with the P sound. It was really, really fun playing with you. Today we learned all about the letter P. The letter P says P. We also learned how to write capital P and lowercase p. And we learned some letters that begin with the P sound. Now, I will leave you with this song and see you next time.
Pizza.